Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Plants vs Zombies game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, just look for the search option. From the search box, you can type in Plants vs Zombies and begin your search. Once you find the Plants vs Zombies game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Plants vs Zombies game on your device. Just wait for a while until the download completes. And once the installation is done, you will see the play button. You can now tap on this button and this will now open up the Plants vs Zombies game on your device. Just proceed with providing your date of birth and you can start playing immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Plants vs Zombies game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.